You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3.
All right, please take out to your math books. We are on page 211, which looks like that. I'm going to do something that I don't usually do, and that's I'm going to be here at the board all for this whole math class, just to go through this stuff with you. Okay. So the first thing you have some restas there with more borrowing than usual. So I'm going to do the first two with you, and then you can do the second two by yourself. So here we go. The first one there is 645 minus 567. Well, what do we do? Well, we have 5 minus 7 is what? Can't do it, can we? No. So we're going to turn this 4 into a 3 and put that 1 we took from it right there. Now we have 15 minus 7 is what? 15 minus 7 is 8. Okay? Now we have 3 minus 6. What's 3 minus 6? If you said 3, wrong. You can't have 3 minus 6. Here's 3. Take away 6. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you can't do it, can you? No. We're going to borrow 1 from this 6, turn this into a 5, and put that 1 right there. 13 minus 6 is what? 13 minus 6 is 7. Right? Then we have 5 minus 5 is, well, nothing. 5 minus 5 is nothing, so we don't put a number there. So our answer is 78. 78. Okay? Let's do the second one together. Second one is 521 minus 228. Let's do this. What's 1 minus 8? Can't do it, can we? No. So, we're going to borrow from here, turn this 2 into a 1, and put the 1 right there. 11 minus 8 is what? 11 minus 8 is 3. Okay, so far so good. 1 minus 2 is what? Can't do it, can you? No. So we're going to borrow from that 5, turn that 5 into a 4, and put a 1 right there. Now we have 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. Okay. Then we have 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is, well, that's an easy one, right? 2. So our answer is 293. Okay? Okay. See if you can do the other 2 ones by yourself. Okay? Go ahead and give it a try. All right, next on your paper, they want you to measure these frogs here in centimeters, centímetros. Okay, not inches, not pulgares, centimetros. Go ahead and do those. Okay. Next, there's a question. Bella bought 6 plastic jungle animals for $10 each. How much money did she spend? She brought 6 toys, 6 juguetes, and each one cost $10. She has 6 toys. Is how much? Well, if 1 juguete equals 10 cents, how much does 6 juguetes cost? The answer, of course, is 60 centavos. Okay? All right. Next question. So Sean had 39 cents in his bank. He found 26 cents in his pants pocket. How much money did he have in all? What is 39 más 26? 39 plus 26. Next question. It says candy hearts cost 2 cents each. How many candies could you buy with 8 cents? If one dulce costs 2 cents, how much could you buy if you had 8 cents? Well, let's count out, shall we? 2, 4, 6, 8. You could buy 4. Okay, so go ahead and mark the 4 there. On the back side, well, you have your restas. Go ahead and do those. You can do those by yourself. Go for it. All right, you have clocks. By now, you should know how to do your clocks, your relojes. But this one, they want you to set it, and they have Roman numerals. You remember how these work? Remember, 1 is I, 5 is V, and 10 is X. So you shouldn't have any trouble figuring out how to set these clocks. Okay. And then for the last thing, it's been a while since I was on the board, so I thought we should go ahead and do these today, especially since some of you are still having trouble with this. So let's go ahead and we'll do the first 2 together. First we have 5 quarters. 5, that's G, you don't want a G, you want a Q. Quarters, 7 nickels, 12 pennies. Well, how much is a quarter? A quarter is 25. So 25, 50, 75, 100, 125 centavos, or $1.25. Okay, then we have 7 nickels. How much is a nickel? A nickel is 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. It's 35 centavos. Okay, then we have 12 pennies. Well, how much is a penny? A penny is 1. So we have 12 ones. So we have 12. Okay, let's add them together. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So put the 2 down here and the 1 up here. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. And 1 is 7. Right? And then we have the 1. So our answer is $1.72. Okay? Put the centavos on this side of the punto and the dollars on this side of the punto. Okay? Let's do the second one together. We have 3 $half, 3 quarters, and 24 pennies. So what do we got? Well, how much is a $half? A $half is 50, 50. So we have 50, 100, 150, or 250 centavos, or $1.50. And then put it a little bigger there so you can see it. Then we have 3 quarters. Well, how much is a quarter? A quarter is 25. 25, 50, 75. So, 0.75 Then we have 24 pennies. How much is a penny? A penny is 1. So we have 24. Let's add them all together. What do we got? 0 plus 5 is what? It's 5. Plus 4 is 9. 5 plus 7 is 12. And 2 is 14. 4 down here, 1 up there. 1 plus 1 is 2. Our answer is $2.49. Okay? Okay. Now, you should be able to do the other two by yourself. If you can't, then stop this video and go back and rewind it and watch these first two problems again. Okay? I send you these videos so you can watch them as many times as you want or as many times as you need to, so that you always have this information. Okay? So you go ahead and do that. And then when you're done, you can move on to your English.